So this is my resin rainbow swipe, bloom swipe. I wanted to show you how I clean it, remove the tape after. So this is the result, and this is the back. You can probably see there are some drips, not a lot, because I used the ArtResin, which is thicker, and that means that it didn't run as much on the sides as my other resin does. So let me just put down a towel. I just put a towel to protect the resin from any kind of scratches or anything while I'm doing this. So, like I said, I think in my introduction, I put 2 layers of tape on here, and now I'm gonna remove it. The easiest way to do that is if you heat these little drips with the heat gun, just a little bit, then it should be easy to just peel off. So that is what we'll be doing. And it peels right off. Easy peasy. Now if I go down this one where I didn't heat it as much, it gets a little bit more difficult. So I may have to heat it more, but it seems to be really getting off the back today really easy. So that's cool. Yeah, I don't even need to go. Oh, there we go. See here, it rips the tape. You can try carefully to get back. Yeah, it worked. So, nothing much to it. I know that some people say that they actually sand it down on the back, but if you do it like this, there's no need, really. There we go. Only this one, and that should be easy to just, there we go. All clean and nice. So now all I do after is I just put in what's it called? Well, for hanging. So I have this wire that I put in. I have these little eyes that I put in with the wire, and that's how I prepare my canvas for hanging. And yeah, that's it. So let's turn it over, and there you go. Oops. And voila. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and hope you come back soon. Bye.